Want to run Android 16 on your Windows PC like a real phone? Most people mess up this first step and waste hours. Watch closely, because enabling the wrong settings will break everything. First, go to Turn Windows Features On or Off and enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Keep watching. This is where the real setup begins. Open your browser. Search for Android Studio and download the latest version from the official website. Run the installer and open Android Studio. Go to More Actions and select SDK Manager. Under the SDK Platforms tab, select Android 16 and click Apply to download the platform files. This step takes a few minutes. Be patient. Here comes the fun part. Go back to More Actions and select Virtual Device Manager. Click the plus icon to create a new device. Choose a device frame. Final step. Don't click away yet. Once your virtual device is created, click the play button next to it. The Android 16 emulator will boot up right on your Windows desktop. Now you can sign into the Play Store. If the emulator feels slow, just increase the RAM in the advanced settings. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Next tutorial, how to run 2 emulators at the same time.